Okay, good evening, children. My name is Venkatesh. I'm your teacher for the next 40 to 50 minutes. I'm here to teach you all the Vedic method of doing mathematics. Primarily, what we call this is Vedic mathematics. So we will concentrate today on addition, which is the basic thing which you all know. You all might be an addition expert, but it's this method really helps you all to do something on mental addition. So I'll teach you a few techniques in the next 30-40 minutes. Then probably you can try at your leisure. I hope you have your pen and pencil nearby, or paper and pen, whatever it is. So that moment I'll give you the concept, I'll explain you with examples, after which there is a option so that we could practice one or two sums together based on the techniques what I'm teaching here. Okay, so I just wanted to set that context. So I'm happy to share my screen now. Meanwhile, you can take a time to get your paper and pen and pencil, whatever possible, so that it's a great way to learn mathematics. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Yes.
I'm sharing my screen. Hope you all can see my screen. It's visible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, great. Sorry?
Yes.
Okay, so welcome you all to this masterclass on Vedic Mathematics Addition. So let's go on. These are the few sutras in Vedic mathematics we call sutras. So we'll start from one more than one before. Like that, we'll go to by the completion, non-completion. Then slowly we'll move on to multiples of tens, deficiency from 10, by addition, by subtraction. And by learning all this, let's do some mental addition so that you can try at your home when you are having leisure time. Okay, so don't worry, it looks a little bigger, but it's very easy. We will go one by one very slowly. So for the first sutra, it's called more than one before. So what do you mean by one more than one before? So in addition, what we need to do is, like always, we need to look for number 10. So what is the possibility to have number 10? If you add 9 plus 1, it will become 10. Correct? 8 plus 2 will become 10. 7 plus 3 will become 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So there are 5 pairs of numbers that you need to remember, so that when you're trying to do any addition mentally, I've asked you to take paper, pencil, and pen, but after you learning this concept, you should do everything on mental addition. Okay, so these are the 5 pairs of numbers which adds up to 10. So always when you are adding it for your mental addition, you need to look for number 10. That's the sutra talks about. Okay, then the next sutra, it's called by the completion or non-completion, which is the extension of it. So for example, let's try this. If you add 36 plus 54, let's take 2-digit number. If you add 36 plus 54, in general school addition or academic addition, what we do, 6 plus 4, 10, then you need to have a carry forward. Then probably you get confused. Probably you take 1 in the memory, but when you add 2. So in Vedic maths, no need to do anything on the carry forward option. Everything, anything can be done in terms of this completion. So let's see. If you take step 1, out of 36, take 6 and then put it here. Then remaining, how much? 30, separate it like this. So 6 plus 30 we have written. 54, how you can write? 4 plus 50, correct? So 6 plus 4 will become 10. Then 30, you put it like that as it is. Then 50 as it is. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. You put the 9 here. Then you have zeros. If you add all zeros, it becomes 0. So the answer is 90 without a carry forward. So similarly, if you try another sum, 59 plus 21. So first step, what we should do, we should find the number 10 in it. How do we find it? Remove 9 from 50, put it as it is. Remove 1 from 20, then put it here. And then 50 you added because we already put 9 here. Then 1 already we have given it here, so put it 20 here. So how much it will become? 9 plus 1, 10. 50 you write as it is, then 20 as it is. So how much it's, so don't need to worry, just add only the single digit. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. We're writing 8 here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will become 0. So 80. So answer is 80. So like that, we could try for 3-digit number. Let's go a little more deeper now. It's also the same way. For example, take 524, add 524 plus 466. So what we need to do, we need to always look for nearest to 10, right? So we write 524 as it is, then try to remove 6 from 466. That will become 6 here. Then remaining 460, you add it like this. So 466 as 6 plus 460, correct? Then what we need to do, 24 is there, 6 is here. So 24 plus 6 will become 30. Then already 5 is there, write that 5. So it becomes 530. Put this 460 as it is. So how do you add? Go by 1 digit from right to left. Always we should go right to left. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 3 or 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. So answer is 990. So like that, we could try one more sum, 643 plus 757. So what we need to do, we put 643 as it is, try to remove 7 from here. 757 can be written as 7 plus 750. So why we are writing like that? It's easy for us to add do mental addition. So 43 plus 7, so become 50. Put the 6 as it is, so it becomes 650. Then 750, put it down here. So 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. Then you have a carry forward 1, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. So 1400. So like this, we could look for, split the numbers and look for base, which is like your 10, 30, 20, so that you can add it, simplify it, and then add it. So that's the easy way to do this one. Okay, this is the way we should try. So let's move on to the next thing to do some practice sums. So let's practice 43 plus 27. You guys wanted to take it and solve it in your pen and paper. Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try. So what we do, just try. I'll give you 2 minutes time, 2 to 3 minutes. Just try. I can put my previous slide if you want. So try to look for 10. Split the number and try to look for 10 and tell me the answer. If you want, you can take any numbers, but it's your wish.
Class. লিখো এটা বার করো এর ক্লাস থেকে তাহলে আমি এখান থেকে 3 বার করতে 7 বার করতে ক্লাস তাহলে হচ্ছে কত 3 আর 7 বার করতে গেলাম এখানে তাহলে 3টা বার করলাম তাহলে 40 হয়ে যাবে 40 হয়ে যাবে 3টা বার করলাম তো এটা ক্লাস এখানে 7 বার করলাম তাহলে থাকবে 2 আর 0 7 যখন বার করতে মানে কিছু না মানে কত 0 তাহলে এটা 20 বুঝতে পারলে হ্যাঁ তাহলে কত হচ্ছে এটা যোগ করে
Any answer?
I have found the answer for the first 3 ones.
Wow, brilliant. So could you explain it to your friends and also to me? How did you arrive at that answer?
So for the first one, 43 plus 47, you can split it like 3 plus 40, 7 plus 3. So 50 plus 20 is 60, plus 10 is 70.
Okay, so if I understand correctly, you took 3 and 7 separately. So 3 plus 7 plus 40 plus 20. The 7 plus 3 will become 10. 10 plus 40, 50, 50 plus 20, 70. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. How about the other
Yes,
one?
sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
19.
Okay. Thanks, Imangi. Let's give a chance to other folks. Who's next? Rajdeep, you want to say? Or anyone? Shivangi?
Yes, sir. I did 3-digit number.
Wow, brilliant. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that number?
Sir, 132 plus 248.
Mhm.
I did it like 130 plus 240, and I split it 130 plus 8 and 240 plus 2. And then I had added 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So
Mhm.
130 plus 240 plus 10 is equal to 380.
Okay.
And
It's
so then,
easy for you to do that way rather
yes,
than
sir.
having a carry forward. Okay, good. 380 is the right answer. Who's
Yes,
next?
sir.
Good, Shivangi. Who's next?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I'll give you one more minute. We'll take one sum and then we'll move on to the next concept.
10 তো আবার হলো আবার 10 আবার তো 50 এটাই থেকে গেল
I found 15 plus 35.
Who's that? Okay. So take down this number. Then we'll move on to the next sum.
Sir.
So yeah. Who's this?
I'm Rajdeep.
Tell me, Rajdeep. Which sum?
Sir, the first 2-digit number is 43 plus 27.
Yeah.
For 43 plus 7 plus
ওটা
20.
আসলে আমার আইডিতে জয়েন হয়েছে আমি
Someone is, please go on mute. Hold on,
Step
Rajdeep. Yeah.
Step
Yeah.
1 is 43 plus 7 plus 20.
Mhm.
Step 2 is 50 plus 20.
Hmm.
Final answer is 70.
Okay. So rather than putting it 43 plus 7, you may get confused. So put 40 plus 3, 43. Okay. 27 is 20 plus 7. Okay. So 40 plus 20 is 60. 3 plus 7, 10. Then if you add 60 plus 10, it becomes 70. Okay. Always look for the wholeness, which is the base called 10, 30, 20, like that. Okay. Good, guys. Let's move on to the next practice and also the
May I
sutra.
do the next?
Which one?
May I do the next?
No, you just take it down. We can't do everything in that 1 hour. Just we move on to the next sutras. Okay, this is how we should do it. Write these numbers in your paper. After the class, apply this technique and then try to solve it. Is that okay? Okay, the next one is like multiples of 10. Clear? So what is this multiples of 10? Always when you're doing your mental addition through Vedic Math method, we should try to find multiples of 10. So what is this multiples of 10? So I've given it, right? The combination of 3 numbers that sum up or add up to 10. So when you want to get 10, what are the 3 combination of numbers that will give you? For example, if you see the first one, 1 plus 2 plus 7 can be written as 10, right? Similarly, 1 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 10. And if I go down, you have 2 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 10. And if you come on to this side, you can write 1 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 10. So remember these combinations. So when you're doing a mental addition, that will add up to 10. Okay, so let's try few sums on this concept. See, now we are going little more deeper, right? In the last practice sums, we were just doing only 2-digit. Now in 2-digit, we have three numbers, like add. If you want to add 45 plus 22 plus 53, now we are using paper and pen and paper and pencil, but in the future, like you do it mental addition, right? So how do you go about it? Write all, right? In a 2-digit, we have ones. The first digit is 1, the next digit is 10. You all know that. So what we need to do is like we need to take all the ones, like 5, from 45, 22, the 2, 5 plus 2, then 3, write it like that. All the tens we need to group it like you removed 5 here from 45, it will become 40. We removed 2, then it become 20 here. Then we have taken 3 here, then remaining is 50. So next step, 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Here, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Then you have 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. So it becomes 110. So how do you add 11 plus 1, 12, 0 plus 0, 0. So answer is 120. Okay, like that you should take all the ones and all the tens to have multiples of 10. Okay, so let's try one more sum. 27, add 27 plus 52 plus 11. Clear? So what we need to do, first step, add all the ones. Okay, what are the one digit number here? 7 in 27 is ones place. 2 in 52 is one place. 7 plus 2. In 11, 1 is the in ones place. Okay, then we have taken 7 already, then it'll become 20. We have taken 2, then we have 15 tenth place. We have taken 1 here, so 10 is remaining. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Here like 5 plus 2 plus 7, 7 plus 1, 8. You put 8 and 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So 8 plus 1, 9, the 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So the final answer is 90. So again, I'm reiterating this concept. When you have more number to add, always group all the one digit as I was showing the arrow marks in the presentation, and then put the relevant 10 digits. So if you have a 3 digit, then do it with hundreds. So like that. So let's concentrate in this way. Okay, now we are going a little more tougher. Like we only adding 3 digit here, 3 2 digit here. We are going to 4 digit now. So 28 plus 36 plus 17 plus 23. What we should do? We should take all ones, right? 8 from 28 we have written here. 36, 6 is one place. 8 plus 6 we have written here. In the 17, 7 is in the one place. We are writing 7 here. In 23, we are writing 3, right? So what are the remaining tens? 8 already we put it in the ones place, so remaining is 20. 6 is we have put it in the one place, remaining is 30. We have taken 7 here, so remaining is 10. The last digit 23, we have written 3 in the ones, the remaining is 20. So how do we calculate now? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, we are putting 8. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Well, how many numbers of 0 you add? At the end of the day, you get answer 0. So 80 is your answer here. Step 2. Then we have written all the ones here, right? 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3. So what is the sutras we need to follow here? We need to group it in multiples of tens. So if you add 8 plus 6, generally you say 14, but 14 is not 10, right? 7 plus 3 is 10. So what we can do is like put 8 as it is, split the 6. 6 can be split as 2 plus 4, right? So the 8, then you write it 6 as 2 plus 4, then write 7 plus 3 as it is. So why we are writing 2 plus 4? We can write 3 plus 3 also. You can ask a question, sir, we can write 3 plus 3 also, which comes to 6. But our goal is to have 10. So 8 plus 2 will become 10. This 4 will write as it is. Then 7 plus 3 will become 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 4, like 24. So 80 plus 24 is 104. So that's a way you should group all. How many number of digits given to you? You should be easy to find answer in this way without doing any carry forward. So it's a easy way to do mental calculation. Clear? So let's do 1 or 2 sums practice here. Okay, so someone can take this side, someone can take this side. So whatever the number you like to do, you take your pen and pencil or pen and paper and then try these sums and tell me the answer. Clear? add, I repeat the concept again, group all your ones, group all your tens, so that you get multiples of tens, so that you could get the answer easily. Take one sum and then try, so that you remember this concept. You note it down, other practice sums you can try after the class, so that you will be familiar with this concept. How are you guys feeling? Easy, tough?
Easy.
Easy. Okay, good. Any quick answers?
I'm done with the first one.
No, sir, I can.
Who is this? Call out your name and then tell your answer.
Himangi.
Shivangi.
Himangi.
Okay, Himangi. Yeah, tell me, Himangi. Which sum you have taken? What is the answer?
The first one, 182 is the answer.
Which one?
I took the first one and the answer is 182.
No, yeah, you have to tell me the procedure. How did you do?
So for the first one, what I did was, it is 49 plus 36 plus 72 plus 25. So I took the ones place, 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5, that is 22. And then I added all the tens, 40 plus 30 plus 70 plus 20. That is 160. And
Okay.
22 plus 160 is 180.
Okay, so did you split it like 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5, right? So the 6 you split as 1 plus 5, so that 10, 10 you got it. Answer is right. I hope the approach you followed what we taught. Good. Who's next?
Sir, Rajdeep.
Yes, Rajdeep. Which sum are you doing it?
Sir, last 27 plus 12 plus 31.
Good. Go ahead.
7 plus 2 plus 1.
Brilliant. What is the answer? 7 plus 2 plus 1?
10.
Okay, good.
And 10, 20 plus 10 plus 30. 60. Then 10 plus 60 equal to 70.
Good job. Well done. Well done, Rajdeep. Okay. Okay, I think let's move on. If anyone wants to say, you have any ready-made answers? Otherwise, we'll move on to the next concept. You can take down this practice sum so that you can try even after the class. Okay, so no answer. So I'm moving on to the next sutras. One sec. Can you see my screen moving? Okay, the next Vedic Sutra, what we are going to learn in addition is deficiency from 10. Okay, you might be wondering, what is this deficiency? So don't worry, it's a simple concept. I'll explain to you now. So deficiency from 10 is like, if you take any number, in this case, if you take 96 as an example, we all know that 96 is close to 100. Is that correct? So how much is close to 100? It's just 4 below 100, right? So the 4 is your deficiency. So when you are doing any calculations mentally, so you need to remember this one, deficiency from 10. If someone says 48, example, I'm given it in the bullet point, 48 is close to 50. So how How much the difference between 48 and 50 is just 2 below or 2 less than 50. The next one is like take 29. 29 is close to 30. It's just 1 below. So 1 is your deficiency. Similarly, we have 67. We all know that is close to 70, which is 3 below or less than 70. And in this case, 15 is close to 20 and 5 below or less than 20. So you may ask a question here. When it's 15, it's also close to 10, right? Then why we are taking only 20? So for anything below 15, we should consider this close to 10. Anything 15 and above, we should consider to close to 20. So like that, we should understand. So this is called deficiency. The number is less than the number from 10. Okay, 48 is 2 less than 50. 29 is 1 less than 30. 96 is 4 below 100. So like that, you need to remember. So if you do the sum, you understand this. I'll move on to the sum part. Okay, let's solve the sum. One with the 2 digit and 1 digit. Let's take 48 plus 5. So what do you know as per this deficiency from 10? We should find 48 is close to the nearest number, which is 50, correct? And how much below? 2 below. So we should write 48 as 50 minus 2. I've written it here. And then put your 5 here. So what is the next step? 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 50 you write as it is. So 50 plus 3, 53. So that's how we should do. So deficiency is like whatever the number close to that base, and that you write it as. So 48 can be written as 50 minus 2. That's what we are trying to do. Otherwise, if you do in a normal addition, 48 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry forward, then probably we may forget 1 or 2, then we may do mistakes. With this Vedic concept, it's easy, right? We are reducing it to small numbers in terms of tens, in terms of 50s, so that easy for you to add. So let's try here, this side. 83 plus 39, two-digit number. Okay, so always take right to left, like take 39 and then 83. So you can do both ways, but let's always practice first from right to left. Right is 39 is the right number, and then 83 is your left number. So let's take 39. So 39 is close to 40. You all know, right? It's a simple thing. Then how much below? What is the deficiency of 39? It's 1. So how 39 can be written? 40 minus 1. So I'm just putting this 40 minus 1 against this number. 83 I write as it is. 39 can be written as 40 minus 1. Okay. Then what we need to do? 83 minus 1. It's easy, right? One number less than 83 is 82. I write 40 as it is. So you can just add 82 plus 40. Then it's 122. If you still feel that's tough, split 82 as 80 plus 2. Then 40 plus 40. So 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 2, 122. So like that, you could do this kind of sum using deficiency. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
add fast 48 plus 5. Step 1, 48 is close to 50 and 2 below. How we get 50?
You need to find the nearest base. 48, that's what the previous slide I was telling you, right? 96 is close to 100. 48 is close to 50. 29 is close to 30. So you need to find the number which is close to the base. Base is, in this case, 50. The 48 is close to 50. So we need to take that way. Then 50 minus 2 below than 50. So we need to write 50 minus 2. So this is what I was showing you in the previous slide, right? 48 is close to 50. 96 is close to 100. 29 is close to 30. So for after 48, how many numbers? 49, 50. So the two numbers below than 50. So like that, you need to remember. Okay. So let's try a few sums here. I'll give you 3 minutes. So please take one sum and then try. If you want to try 1 2-digit and 1 1-digit, free feel to do that. If you want to try a little more deeper, then you can try 58 plus 27 or 69 plus 54. Your time starts now. So what we should do here, take the number and then find what is the deficiency. And then do the addition.
Sir? Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
that was what will I write?
Huh?
89 plus 7.
Hmm.
89
Hmm.
is so how I write the sentence?
89 plus 7. So 89 is close to the which base? 89 is close to 90, right? So then you need to write 90 minus 1. 89 can be written as 90 minus 1 plus 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So answer is 96. Clear?
89. 89 is
See, I'm just doing it for you. 89 plus 7, correct? Sum is correct. So 89, you need to find the deficiency from 10. So 89 is close to 90, right? So how much close to 90? 1 below 90. So 89 can be written as how? 90 minus 1 plus you write this 7, correct? Then now 7 minus 1 will become 6, correct? 7 minus 1, 6. Then you put 90 as it is. You have a plus sign here, put plus here. What is the final answer? 90 plus 6?
96.
96. Okay. So like that you need to try. What is an so anyone wants to answer any of the other numbers? So probably I'll do it here again for you guys. 25 plus 7. Okay, let's remove it.
90.
25 plus 7. Okay. So 25 is close to 30. How much the difference? 5, right? So 30 minus 5 plus 7. 7 minus 5, 2. So 30 plus 2,
32.
32. So like that. So you need to try. Clear? So anyone is trying the 2-digit numbers? 69 plus 54, 58 plus 27. Any answers? Otherwise, we can move on to the next topic.
90.
Yeah. So guys, please speak little louder. I can't hear you guys. Yeah. Someone wants to try? Yes, no? Okay. So let's move on to the next topic. This is the other one interesting thing. The next sutra is by addition, by subtraction. So we all should know that numbers ending with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. It's all close to 10. I was telling you on the previous slide also. The number from 5 and above is close to the next number. The number below 5 is close to the other number. So if it's 15, then it's close to 20. If it's 14, then it's close to 10. Okay. So we all should remember that numbers ending with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are close to 10. So what we need to do here is like, for example, take the sum 38 plus 7. Okay. So 7, we need to apply this deficiency formula here. 7, how much? 7 is close to 10, right? Because 7 is close to 10. 7 is also close to 10 here in this number. So how much it's close to 10? 3, right? If you add after 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus 3. So we need to put this plus 3 as it is. Similarly, for the left digit, always start from right to left. Okay, right to left. 7 is your right number, 38 is your left number. So 7 is close to 10. How much close to 10? Plus 3, right? Then you put same number with the minus sign. That is what I'm saying by add. You put addition here. Here it's by subtraction. So same number with a different sign, minus 3. Okay, then we need to solve this. How do you solve 7 plus 3? 10. 38 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, and 3 as it is 35. So what is the answer? 35 plus 10, 45 is the answer. Clear? Similarly, you try this one. This is with 2 digit and 1 digit. Now we'll try with 2 digit number. 27 plus 79. Okay, we all know that 79 is close to 80. Yes or no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, good. Thanks for the response. So how much close to 80? 1 close to 80. So let's put plus 1. That is the rule by addition. Add means addition. Similarly, what is the next step? Same number, you should put it here on your left digit, but you should change the sign. Here plus sign, here is minus sign. Now we need to solve it, right? 79 plus 1, 80. You all know that. 27 minus 1, 26. So 26 plus 80 is 106. If you still find that difficulty, split 26 as 20 plus 6. Then what will happen? 20 plus 80, 100. You know it. 100 plus 6, 106 or 106. Clear? So like that, you should find the deficiency for your right digit number, whether it could be a 2 digit or 1 digit or 3 digit. Find that deficiency plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, whatever may be the sum. Put the same number here with a different sign and then solve it. You get the answer. Okay. So let's try with the practice sum. I'll give you 2 minutes because we have 10 more minutes. 38 plus 7. Someone can solve. Maybe other person can solve 17 plus 69. Ready? Ready to solve the sum?
38.
Good. So again, I'm repeating the sutra. So we need to find the deficiency of the right digit number. Find that number, put as addition. Same number on your left digit, put as minus. Then solve it. You'll get the answer.
I have found the answer for the first one.
Yeah, tell me, what is it? How did you do?
It is 38 plus 7. So 7 is close to 3. It's close to 10. So it's close by 3. So I add plus 3 and minus 3 in 35. So it will be 38 and it will become 35 plus 10. So that is 45.
Okay, good. Good, Himangi. Who's next? So you can try the other 2 digit number. 17 plus 69 or 44 plus 29. Just keep solving it so that you don't forget this concept. You can apply in your academics also. Who's next?
I have found another answer.
Who's that?
Himangi.
Yeah, tell me, Himangi, which sum you are solving it?
I found 17 plus 69.
Yeah, tell me, how did you do?
So 69 is close to 70 by 1.
Hmm.
So I add plus 1 and it becomes 70.
Mhm.
And then 17, I do minus 1 and it becomes 60. So
Mhm.
16 plus 70 is 80.
Good. Right answer. You can try other sums. Okay, so we got two answers. So take down the practice sums. You can solve it. But the ultimate goal is like you should do it mentally. Okay, mental addition is very important. Okay, let's move on to the next sum. Okay, I think this is the last part of this presentation or the call. Okay, so if someone asks you to do 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4, what do you do? So we need to learn whatever we learned as a concept, we need to apply it while doing mental addition. Ultimate goal, we should solve the sums mentally. That's the importance of this Vedic Max. Okay, I'll give you a couple of examples here. 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. So we learned different concepts. So ultimate goal is like we need to find 10, group the numbers to become 10. So which number will become 10? 6 plus 4 will become 10. So write it as 6 plus 4. Then put 7 and 2 as it is. That's the step 1. So we are finding 10 in this number. So 6 plus 4 will become 10. 7 plus 2, sorry, 7 plus 2 will become 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. Okay. So let's try another number. Like here we have 4 single digit number. I think here we have mix of 2 digit and single digit number, totally 5. I think it's a little bigger. 24, add 24 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 13. So what we need to find, we need to find the multiples of tens or nearest base number, which is 10. So you need to group it in that way. So 24 can be written as 4 plus 20 or 20 plus 4. However you want to do it, you'll do it. Then put the 7 as it is, 8 as it is, 6 as it is. 13 can be split as 3 plus 10 or 10 plus 3. You all know that. Then what we need to do, we need to find the numbers which gets added to 10. So we'll see what are the numbers we could do here. 4 we can put it as it is, then 6 can be added here, 7 is here, then we can take 3 from here. So 6 plus 4 10, 7 plus 3 10. Rest all like 8 put as it is, then 20 as it is, 10 as it is. So 10 plus 10 20, then 38. 20 plus 10 plus 8 is 38. So 20 plus 38 is 58. If you still feel that stuff, split 38 as 30 plus 8. So 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. So ultimately, whatever we learned in today's concept, we are trying to do as a mental addition. So you need to practice in that way. Okay, let's do some 2-digit number addition for 2 numbers. 29 plus 36. So what we need to do, we need to add ones together, right? 9 plus 6. Then we need to add tens together, 20 plus 30. So 9 plus 6 will become 15, but ultimately we should find for 10. So 6 can be written as 1 plus 5. So 9 plus 1, 10. The 5 as it is, 20, 30 you're writing. So 20 plus 30, 50, 10 plus 5, 15. So 50 plus 15 is 65. Otherwise, if you still feel difficulty, 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. So 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 5, 65. So like that, we should apply the concept to do mental addition. So next one, if someone gives you a big number, what do you do? So don't get shocked, don't get panicked. So if I give you an opportunity to add 3327 plus 2577, 2577 plus 585 plus 383. Oh, so much big number, right? So how do we do? So when these kind of additions are asked, if you want to do mentally, so there is a way to do it. So take the columns. You all know, right? This is, I'll just go. Column is like the vertical line is your column, horizontal is your row. So take 7753, 2788, 3553, 32. However you do your normal addition, you take it, but in a different way. So I'll explain it here. First, we'll take from, always go from right to left. Okay, let's take 7753. 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3. So ultimate goal, we need to find group number as 10. So we can write 7 plus 3, 10. 5 can be written as 3 plus 2. So 7 plus 3, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. Then 2. Answer is 22. The 2 you're putting it here. The 2 you're taking it as a carry forward. So that's what I've written here. What is the next vertical column? 2, 7, 8, 8. 2 plus 7 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 8. So 2 plus 7, right as it is. 8 can be written as 1 plus 7. And another 8 can be written as 3 plus 5. So when you're doing your column addition, try to look for some 10s so that easy for your addition. So see, 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 become 10. 7 plus 3 become 10, and then 5. Easy to add, right? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. And then don't forget, we have a carry forward from the last thing. So add that carry forward here, which will become 27. Write that 7 here. And 2 carry forward taken here. We'll go to the next column, which is like 3, 5, 5, 3. How do you write it? 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. Okay, it's easy here. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 3, 6. So 16. Then there is a carry forward on 2. So we put the 2, it become 18. So write 8 here. The 1 carry forward is written here. The last one is very simple, right? 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. There is 1 carry forward here. That becomes 6. So what is your answer? 6, 8, 7, 2. That's what we're written here. So like that, you could do a mental practice. Okay, so when these big numbers are given, don't get panicked, don't get shocked. It's easy. You need to split it, put the box like that, unless you become familiar. Then try to write these numbers horizontally. Then try to split the number to get 10. Then it will become easy. Then make sure that don't forget to add the carry forward, and then you get the answer. So this you could do in a mental way. Okay. So like that, a couple of sums are given it for practice. You can take down these numbers because we have 3 more minutes to finish the call. So if you want, you can try. Otherwise, you can try it in your leisure time. I think that's it. Thank you for joining this masterclass. I just opened the slide. You can take practice sum. And Ritu, over to you.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh. Thank you for the class. And I hope students, Apko, you guys have understood everything and have enjoyed everything. Himangi, how was your experience?
It was very nice.
Great, great. Okay. So I just wish that you guys have understood everything and you will be practicing whatever was taught today. And we'll now close the session, I guess. And have a good Sunday, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you all for joining.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good luck. Good luck with your max. Enjoy your max. Have fun with mathematics.